Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soulful Cooking. Today, I'll be making beef neck bones. You will need 2 pounds of beef neck bones, 4 cups of beef broth, 2 cups of water, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of canola oil, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 sprig of fresh rosemary, 3 sprigs of fresh thyme, 1 small onion, 1 tablespoon of seasoned salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 tablespoon of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1/2 tablespoon of salt, and 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper. In a small bowl, combine your seasoned salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. Now add the paprika, black pepper, and salt, then mix until well combined. Make sure you have thoroughly washed and dried your neck bones, then place them in a large bowl. Pour over 1 tablespoon of canola oil, mix, and make sure that each piece has been evenly coated. Using half of your seasoning mixture, season your neck bones, ensuring that each piece has been evenly coated. Using medium-high heat, bring a large pot or your Dutch oven to temperature, then add your remaining 3 tablespoons of oil. Now add your neck bones and sear them on all sides. Sear your neck bones in small batches as not to overcrowd your pot. After you have seared your neck bones, remove them and set them aside until later. Reduce your heat, then sauté your onions for 3 minutes. Now add your garlic and continue to sauté for an additional minute. Sprinkle your flour, then cook until it has turned a golden brown. Now add the beef stock and water. If you're looking for more budget-friendly recipes, please visit my website at soulfulcooking101.com. I have provided a link in the description below. Bring your liquid to a light simmer, then return the neck bones to the pot. Now season with the other half of your seasoning mixture. Add the rosemary and thyme, cover, and allow it to cook for 2.5 hours. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soulful Cooking.
Soulful cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.